Introducing the 6-inch Retrofit Inner Nightlight by Sunco. The set includes all the parts required for installation. Flip your wall switch to activate the edge-lit nightlight mode with seamless dimming capabilities of 10% to 100%. Use the nightlight's low CCT for a warm, relaxing hue of light, and cozy it up with 5 options of color temperatures. To install, use the CCT switch to tune the light to your preferred color temperature setting. Connect the E26 wire, use the adjustable spring clips by pushing upward, and lock the fixture in. Customize the light that is the right fit for your space. The light's integrated design allows for low maintenance, making the user experience simple. Thanks to advanced LED technology, you can experience longer lifetime hours and stronger illumination. With our industry-leading warranties and knowledgeable support specialists based in the USA, you can trust that you are in good hands. Sunco, lighting made better.